Sometimes you want your web application to run code on another machine. If you build your web apps with Anvil, the framework for building full-stack web apps with nothing but Python, then you can do this easily with the Uplink. Perhaps you need to use a machine inside your company's network, or only that machine can run certain code. You can connect code anywhere on the internet to your web app using the Anvil Uplink. The Uplink makes any Python code behave like your web app's server-side code. To connect Python code on another machine to your web app, start by enabling the Uplink. Copy the import Anvil server statement and the connect function with the Uplink key. Then install the Anvil Uplink library on the machine. Paste the import statement and connect function, add the anvil.server.callable decorator to the function that you'd like to call from your web app, add the wait forever function to the end of your Python code to keep the code running. Run the Python script to establish the connection. Your web app can now call the function running on the machine. Anything you can do in the web app's server code can also be done from the connected machine's code. This could be accessing your web app's data tables or getting the details of a logged in user. The connected machine can even access other server modules. Sometimes you want to connect an untrustworthy device to your web app. For example, this could be an uplink script running on a customer's device. For untrustworthy uplink code, the uplink has a client code option. A client uplink script has the same privileges as client-side code. The client uplink cannot access data tables unless they've been set to client accessible, and it cannot register server functions. Each Anvil app can have separate server and client uplink scripts connected at the same time. Anvil apps can also have published and development uplink keys, allowing you to develop your app and uplink scripts separately from your live app. To get started with the Anvil Uplink and start building full-stack web apps with nothing but Python, please follow the links in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like below and comment to suggest other Anvil topics you'd like to see us cover.